Hey guys, hey guys! Now I'm going to Pune for कार्यक्रमाला चाललोय.
तर आम्ही पुण्याला चाललोय.
खरंच चाललोय ना? खरंच चाललोय.
खरं काय सांगत नाही.
युअर व्हेकल इज लो फ्युल. गाडी फक्त 75 किलोमीटर जाते. एवढंच तेल आहे गाडीमध्ये.
अँड असा कसा काढलाय मी
हात काढला गेला. सो तुम्ही बघू शकता सीट बेल्ट घालण्याचे आणखीन वेगवेगळे प्रकार. अँड नाव टुडे आय एम गो पुणे अँड
कमिंग पुणे
अँड टेक वन कार्यक्रम फॉर विथ गायत्री.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
भेटणार आहे तिला.
हा भेटणार आहे. अँड स्वप्नील जोशी सर इज मीट देअर अँड आय एम आस्किंग वन क्वेश्चन. जब वो कम इन बिग बॉस होम अँड आस्क टेल मी सम न्यूज म्हणजे ते आय एम आस्क स्वप्नील सर.
नाकात रक्त काढून दाखवा.
ना अरे ना you asking me some question in Big Boss home and that's true and I'm taking Chestwari is your joke and I know actually it's happened back of my eyes and some issues create there. They meet me today for abacus program. कार्यक्रमला प्रोग्राम मध्ये आला तो नाही. सो
meet 1% आगे वो गायत्री कोटे and I'm last 3 years only chat talking she and me but not meet समोर. So today yesterday so yesterday she messaged me and she told me meet you उद्या भेटूया. meet you tomorrow and I'm type I met one don in Pune and now vlog is coming and full vlog is English.
फुल ब्लॉग इज इंग्लिश. ब्लॉग म्हणतात का ब्लॉग म्हणतात? ब्लॉग गडबडीत म्हणायचं म्हणजे कोणाला कळत नाही.
ब्लॉग.
सो हे फुल ब्लॉग इज इंग्लिश. सो कंटिन्युअसली listen my English is very funny language because it is easy language and Marathi is very difficult and lovable language. Marathi मात्रा काना टिंब पूर्णविराम स्वल्पविराम is not a joking. Where use not understanding where use that dot that swalpaviram that kana that matra that rapar ukar velanti. It's very difficult and joint words it's very difficult to teach and learn. So I'm talking just now today's vlog in English. If you like my English, you comment me. Your English is very hard and next vlog is coming with any English. I mean any English send you vlog next. Okay?
नाही.
And now I am in Vadagav. इचलकरंजीतनं 25 किलोमीटरवर आहे. There I am coaching and go to Pune. I meet Gayatri, Swapnil sir, Narendra Tatya. Narendra Tatya is my heart because he is my best friend and he is a cute guy. He is a pure-hearted guy.
काय
गाय काय माहित नाही रे. गाय म्हणजे माणूस. So he is must. Yeah.
म्हणजेच इंग्लिशची आई.
English is very funny language and we are also टॉकिंग इंग्लिश अँड वेअर इज नॉट तटिंग. कुठं बी जावा, वेअर इज नॉट तटिंग.
घसघसीत.
घसघशीत इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग. इफ यू आय एम फेस 28 days with Irina. I am talking with Irina in English and Marathi and Hindi. All languages are coming me. And कवा तर इंग्लिश मध्ये इरिनाला मी समजावून सांगत होतो. माय इंग्लिश शिक्षणाच्या तो पेट्रोल टाकताना गाडी थांबवतो.
तुम्ही कंटिन्यू करा.
नाव आय एम पोचिंग इन वडगाव. म्हणजे आताच कट केलतो वडगाव. आणि होम टू वडगाव 25 किलोमीटर 26 किलोमीटर डिस्टन्स. आय डोंट हॉर्न. जस्ट वन टाइम नाव आय हॉर्न वाजवायला काय म्हणतात रे. आय प्ले हॉर्न अँड my front side in two-wheeler, two boys, he is looking back. Why you pushing horn? Push horn. Why you pushing horn? एकदाच वाजलो हॉर्न. So ragged people are in Kolhapur district, city not. So हॉर्न मारतच नाही मी कवा. हे मधनं चालला रस्त्याच्या विच्छेद पेटणं मग एकदाच गेलो नसतो मी. हे वन टाइम ओनली पुश माय हॉर्न. जस्ट वन टाइम. बिकॉज आय डोंट लाईक हॉर्न. बिकॉज आय एम ऑलवेज सी बॅक हू इज पुशिंग हॉर्न. अँड ही विल लुक मी अँग्री लुक. गिव्ह मी लुक अँग्री लुक. आय डोंट लाईक. सो आय फॉरगॉट हिम आणि साईड सीट घेऊन. भांडण नाही. सकाळ कोण काढणार भांडण. दुपार संध्याकाळ असेल तर खरा. सनलाइट अँड फुल टेम्परेचर देन आय विल भांडण. नो भांडण सकाळी. ओके थँक्यू. व्हॉट हॅपन नेक्स्ट आय विल टेल यू. Hello and welcome to our vlog. And just I remind ki आज today meet one more person in famous our Maharashtra Atharva Sudhame, Mr. Silencer, Mr. Silence. So he will be just now I know ki he will come there and join us. And so beautiful today. Vatavaran is very hard nature. And here front of my in Nisarga Dongar. So beautiful view. And climate is temperature is very low because I am in the car. So temperature is here is 23 and so cold. Then I come Pune now. Just arrive here in Pune and going to buying t-shirt to down shoulder because my friend told me you put a new t-shirt black color down shoulder. Then I call Mr. Max Wholesaler owner. And he will say come my shop and take if want any dresses, kapades and t-shirts, your choice. So many choices there. So I will going there. First I will take new kapades and then I will go the function. And you will stay to talk with us. And today's vlog is very all vlog is English.
कशाला काय गरज आहे
only talking English because I improve my English. I improve my English. That's why I'm here talking English and blogging English. Because I go to London this year because of view to plot of furniture shop. Their बांधकाम one structure constructions and put the showroom there. Then furniture is very hard and my fan followings are very big Praman in England, UK. So they will every time tell me come here and dukan tak hita. So I will go there. That's why I'm learning English. I'm talking English because English is very funny language and no tuition for study in English. Little English speak with my children because they go to English medium. And here now Atal Devyani veg and non-veg, mutton and bakaris and Chinese board is see the board and Varad veg, Reddy's and Giribandhu milk parlors is here. Now Tandoor Point is famous in Pune. Board is there.
Read English. So, stay with us. 1 minute, stay tuned. Our blog. Okay, I love you guys. And stay tuned for what happened in Pune. Okay, love you.
Why this traffic in Pune? Why everyone get the car 4-wheeler and outside is एवढ्या गाड्या? Why? Every time I will come here and gardi. I don't like this gardi and please don't everyone don't get my car. I don't क्या कर दिए so I will told you government one rule new by one person only take one car, no other cars, only one home one car. Our Kolhapur side okay for 2 car 3 car. Pune, Mumbai, only one car allow because they very the population is very high. No parking areas. No parking means वो not this like today 2 days अगोदर 2 days अगोदर I will काय म्हणतात त्याला 2 days अगोदर I am leaving Mumbai and drive to Kolhapur, Ichalkaranji. Morning 7 a.m. I will out in home in road go to Kolhapur and everyone is Natal City traffic. I am arrived there 7 p.m. संध्याकाळी. So Lakshadweep is here. Okay.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
The continue vlog.
So I'm just now coming here. Max Wholesaler owner, Udyog Samuh, Big Samuh only is selling only wholesalers and retailers, only dukandars. So how was the experience? Asking some Sachin Bhau, told him. Only English.
I will come in Max Wholesaler and then you are welcome in Max Wholesale.